Keyboard Pulit ke jela Meghalaya haka arp kundai terik kulalengkot arajar pun reu kila Thang ye ki Jingdih Pynbuaid ke Bashong dor kundai point Kyrwoh Klur Tyngka ha Pajwa ke Star Cement Limited ha Lumshnong East Jingdih District kani ke Jing Pendu ye ki Jingdih Pynbuaid la lam khamat do Inspector General of Police CID u Atiar gonka ha ke Jingdon lang ki SP na East Jingdih East ka sales West ka sales pat South West ka sales habakren sigilat patai kubor u gonka uloong baki District Disposal Committee la thao ban pendu kat kum ke Jing start sayan ye ki mar Jingdih Pynbuaid ki balayok kurup kat kum ki kandon ain ki Jingdih Pynbuaid bala pendu ki long shispa gram u heroin arspa khandai punriu kilogram u ganja khandai kilogram u methamphetamine araja nyospa khandai pulai bilar ka dawai jarho kodin bat sanspa lifestyle sla ki dawai kuli R7 kini ki Jingdih Pynbuaid ki don ki jing penyesno bat sanpu pratli ki mokodoma ki bal register hakeleng ki desek ka peni ba ka don bai ki jiakun de ki bor Pulit persya hikam khayi Jingdih Pynbuaid ugon ka ulaban biang ba ka sarkar jela ka don ya ka thong trikam ban penlong ya ka jela ka balait no drugs bat banrap ba lengbau mentirang ba ka jela konrat ke sangma ka dream mission ka trikam hakeleng
the drugs that were disposed today. So we had 183 grams of heroin, 296 kgs of ganja. We had the methamphetamine called Java tablets of about 9 kgs, 2,793 fancy drill codeine based cough syrups and R7 tablets which were 534. The price of these drugs in the international market is approximately 9 crore 11 lakhs. I just want to reiterate that that the Meghalaya police and the state government are committed to make sure that Meghalaya is a drug-free state, and we have sustained operations against drugs. And these seizures have been part of 58 cases in different districts, and these seizures are the result of strict enforcement and sustained actions against drug peddlers. We under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, and the Dream Mission is becoming a movement in the entire state. It is becoming a movement in the entire state, and we are not only looking at reducing supply side, which is from enforcement, but also rehabilitation awareness to ensure that Meghalaya becomes a drug-free state. So I want to remind each one of us that every gram of drugs that we destroy today is not just a gram destroyed, but it is also protecting somebody who could have been vulnerable to its use. Initiative, and under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, this has now become a mass movement. It is not only confined to government or the police, but it is reaching the youth, and it looks at the entire ecosystem. So it's not just about supply side, but also demand side. So we are not just trying to stop drugs, but we are also trying to create awareness among the youth, and we are also creating avenues for users who want to quit. That there are a lot of de-addiction centers, rehabilitation centers which have been set up, I want to say that the leadership of the state is extremely proactive. They are determined and they give you a lot of leeway. In fact, they are extremely interested, and that is what is leading to some very good results.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya